What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye Nate 231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery in a key fob for a Toyota Highlander. So this will be Toyota Highlanders from years 2014 to 2019. This will be exactly the same for those models and very similar for all other key fob Toyota models. So there's no tools required for this. I'm going to show you how to do it without any tools, but if for some reason you did want to use a flathead screwdriver, you do have the option to do that, but it is not required. So I'm going to show you how the key is designed to be able to do all of this just with the key itself. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look and locate the side where it says to push. And when you push this button in, it's actually going to release the key from the housing, as you can see that. All right, and so now the key has been removed from the housing. So that's the first thing you want to do. If you notice, the key is made almost like a flathead screwdriver on the end. All right, so there's that little indentation that we can actually use, and it is designed to perfectly fit in that little rectangle right there. All right, and so if you take that little indentation and you put it right there, it fits in perfectly. Now, you don't want to go crazy with this. If you have trouble, get a screwdriver, because you don't want to put a lot of wear and tear on this key. But it is designed to do this. It fits in there perfectly. So we're going to hold it straight like that. There's a little notch. It fits in there perfectly. And you're going to twist, all right? And when you twist up, it pops open, okay? So again, this is designed to do this with the key, so you don't need any extra tools. So now that we've got it open, we're gonna lay the keypad to the side, and then I'm gonna take out this little chip, and the battery is actually gonna be on the back side of this chip. All right, so there you can see the battery. Now, the battery that is replaced in these key fobs is CR2032. That's a 3-volt CR2032. I have one here. This just happens to be an Energizer. It doesn't have to be an Energizer. Just make sure you get a 2032. Basically, that 2032, there's going to be 2042s, there's going to be 2025s. That just indicates the thickness of the battery, and so if you don't get the right battery, it won't fit in the key fob properly. All right, so these 4 notches are what holds the actual battery in position inside the key fob. So that's why it's important that you get the correct thickness. But we're gonna take our key again, and we're gonna use that little screwdriver type end, that flat end, and we're gonna stick it right up underneath like that, as you can see, and you see how it popped up. And then once it pops up, you're just gonna lift and the battery comes out. Now this battery goes positive side up, so we're gonna get the new battery. I've unpackaged it, and we're just gonna put it back in the same way we took the other one out, just in reverse. So we're gonna slide it in first, up under those 2 notches there, and then we're just gonna push straight down, and it's gonna pop in like that. All right, so now you can see all 4 notches here are holding the battery securely. So now we're gonna get our key fob casing, and as you can see, it has a circular pattern. The battery goes right there on that circular pattern. Also make note of these little notches inside of the key fob. Those fit in those squares right here on the back of the battery casing. So we're just gonna put it in like that and get the top cover. And we're gonna make sure we line everything up, and then we're just gonna snap it back together. You just wanna work your way all the way around the case, make sure it's all snapped in good. And you're ready to just take your key, insert it back into the slot, and that is how you change the battery in a key fob for a 2014 through 2019 Toyota Highlander. I hope this video is helpful. Feel free to comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up. Thanks for watching.